Welcome to 10-minute gentle stretching routine, which you can practice before going to bed for a deep and sound sleep. So, we're gonna start with Vajrasana. Place both of your hands on your knees and inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, touch your chin to your chest, and repeat twice more. From here, place your right palm on your left knee and left hand goes behind and twist open towards the left side. A gentle twist from your belly button. Now repeat the twist from the other side. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly come back to the center. Walk your hands forward and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. One more deep breath, and when you exhale out, place both of your hands on the left side. Keep your sit bones on the ground, on the mat or bed. Feel the gentle stretch on the right side of your body. Inhale and slowly exhale out. Let's repeat this pose on the other side. Keep both of your hands on the right side and feel the gentle stretch on the left side of your body. Take a deep breath in, and when you exhale out, release all the unnecessary thoughts from your mind and relax. Now come to the center. Come to 4-point kneeling. We're gonna do cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale again, arch. Tuck your tailbone in. Once again, inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round. Now hold the cow pose. Inhale, arch your back and hold it here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and round. Exhale and hold for 3, 2, 1. Now walk your hands forward, place your forehead on your bed, or you can place your chest on your bed if you are capable. Feel the lengthening sensation in your lower back. Feel the release. Now slowly come out of the pose and place your right knee in between your palms and come to pigeon pose, half pigeon pose. You can stay here or you can go down on your elbows to feel the extra release in your right glutes. Keep your weight centered, don't lean towards the right side. Feel the release. Now slowly come out of the pose and bring your knee back and Repeat with the other side. Left knee comes in between your palms, and now you can hold the half pigeon pose on the left side. You can stay here or you can go down on your elbows, whichever feels good to you today. Relax. Take a deep breath in, and when you exhale, release all the tension from your body and mind. Now come back to the center, swing your legs to the front and come to Baddha Konasana, that is the butterfly pose. You can rock your knees up and down for a few times. Now walk your hands forward and go ahead, do the forward fold if you can. Otherwise, you can stay here and rock side to side and feel the release in your inner thighs. Now slide your hands back to the center. Keep your soles of your feet together and lie down on your mat. Keep your palms on your thighs and push them away from your upper body. And feel the release in your entire back, especially in your lower back. Stay here for a few more breaths and enjoy the pose. Now bring your knees together and straighten the legs. Keep your left knee bent and bring it closer to your chest and rock it side to side for a few times. Now bring your left knee on the right side across your right thigh and look towards the left side and feel the gentle twist. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Once again, take a deep breath in, feel the twist, exhale out. Now bring your knee back to the center and release the leg. We're going to repeat with the right side now. Bend the right knee, rock it side to side a few times. Now bring the right knee to the left side, across the left thigh and look towards the right side. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Once again, take a deep breath in, relax your mind and exhale out. Now slowly bring the knee to the center and release the legs. And it is time to go for Shavasana. Relax each and every muscles of your body. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out.